How to create a watch list on cTrader. Hi everybody, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are on cTrader and wondering how to keep track of your favorite instruments without getting lost in the market, here's how you can easily create a watch list, which is a perfect way to stay organized and monitor only what matters to you. First things first, launch open the cTrader app on your smartphone or tablets and log in. After you're logged into the app, go ahead and make sure you're inside the Watchlist tab on the home page. After you're inside the Watchlist, tap on the pencil button right next to the Popular Markets tab on the right. And now go ahead and enter a new name for your watch list. After you are done entering a name, click OK, and you'll be able to see your watch list created. Now use the search bar at the top of the screen to find the instrument you want to track. And now, from the search result, find the instrument and click on the star icon at the top right of the instrument. Now select your watch list where you want to add the instrument on and click Done. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add the instrument to your watch list. Repeat this step for all instruments you care about and you'll be good to go. Once your watch list is set up, it automatically updates in real time. You can quickly glance at it to see price changes, trends, or alerts without hunting for each instrument individually. So that's how you create a watch list on cTrader. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.